Hello, this is Haspa with WTI.
And for me and my husband, this bowl has been the best thing that could ever happen to us. Now that we don't want to do much exercise but play sports, this GlowCity soft mesh LED volleyball is so cool. It glows in the dark, it is water resistant, so I can take it to the beach, I can play in the pool, and I don't have to worry about anything. It comes with batteries and with a pump. The LED light is impact activated and it automatically shuts up, and this is also soft to touch, so it's so comfortable to play with. Look how bouncy it is, and I also love that it lights up once you impact it or you pat it. Since it's a size 5 bowl, it's really easy to play with it. It is not too big, not too small. It really is something you can have a lot of fun with. Me and my husband were excited when we saw it the first time. We recorded a bunch of videos because I had never seen a glow-in-the-dark bowl, and so we were so very excited. So this volleyball stands out. It looks so beautiful in the water. Look how it floats, and even the neighbors were excited to see it.
And that's my point of view.